I think a lot of us need to learn how to pay attention, how to put the phone down once your mother or someone else starts talking to you. I think it's important to be fully present in the moment, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally too. When someone talks to you, you're not just physically there, you're not scrolling through your phone or thinking about something else. You're fully focused on the conversation you are having. You're not dividing your focus less like pieces of a puzzle. You're investing in meaningful interactions. In a world of distractions, being attentive is an art that's often overlooked. How many connections do we fail to develop because we were busy with our virtual world when people in the real world were there to talk to, share moments with, to connect on a deeper level? In the book Tuesdays with Mori, there is a profound saying by Professor Mori: I believe in being fully present. That means you should be with the person you are with. That's simple. You should be with the person you are with. So take it as a reminder that true connection happens when we give our undivided attention, when we are fully present in the moment with the people who matter most.